Hey everyone, I'm Johnny, and today we are taking a look at a baby tuna. This is the SRPF81K1. I ordered this online to review because the color and stainless steel I thought was very attractive, but I haven't decided if I'll keep it yet or not, as it's slightly small for my wrist, at least with me being used to wearing a full-size tuna. Overall, this is going to be a very positive review, as I'm impressed by this watch all round. Hey everyone, here is a zoomed out shot of the watch on my wrist. Just to give you a better idea of the overall look, I bought this for around $400 on sale. I think that's a very good deal. If you can find one around the $500 mark, that would be fair. It fits, like I said, just slightly too small for my wrist, but you could probably get away with it if you have a similar wrist size to mine, which is just under 8 inches. So let's zoom in and have a closer look at the watch. First of all, it's the color scheme I find particularly attractive. The blue and beige on solid stainless. Case is made entirely of stainless steel, which is what I like to see on a tuna. Obviously you can get some with titanium and ceramic, but the stainless steel has a more rugged look, which goes with the chunky and utilitarian look of the tuna series. The majority of this watch is brushed stainless steel, with some polished surfaces. I like the exposed cutaway section of the shroud, showing the industrial looking teeth of the rotating bezel. It almost makes the bezel itself look like clockwork to me. The shroud is attached to the case by 4 bolts, which again add to the solid look of this watch, as well as the practical strength. Every time I pick up a tuna, particularly a heavier stainless tuna, it feels indestructible, and this is no different. I also feel like the look of this watch is forgiving to dents and dings. It's not a watch I'll overly worry about while I'm wearing it. It has a functional, attractive look, almost like a favorite tool. The watch has drilled lug holes, which is always appreciated. Bezel is 120 clicks. Let's give that a listen. No issue with playback whatsoever. It's a solid movement as expected from this level of Seiko. The grip is good, which is important, as the bezel is only fully exposed at 2 places. Bezel is attractive, particularly with this ribbing. I think this is probably one of the nicest features of the watch. Color schemes are always personal, but this works very well for me. It's a deep blue with almost a goldish beige. 5.5 centimeter screw down crown. Seems just slightly small for this watch, but it has a nice grip and is easy to unscrew. Screw down case back. You can see the rating here, 200 meter water resistance, as well as the movement, which is the 4R35, a budget friendly but perfectly reliable movement used in this segment of watches. Dial is attractive. I'm a big fan of the simple chunky hands, which use brushed stainless steel, with a very generous portion dedicated to the lume. The watch is easy to read. Dial quality is excellent. I like the large rectangles and triangle for the hour indices, making it, as always, extremely easy to read in the dark. The lume on this watch is really exceptional. Look how easy it is to distinguish the hands from each other. There's also a circular pip in the bezel, which is also lumed. Date window between the 4 and 5 o'clock indices. Whether you like a symmetric date window, that's a personal choice. I personally like them symmetrical, but this is just fine. Strap is a silicone strap, very soft, though personally I like the stainless look and I may switch that out if I keep the watch, but the silicone strap is perfectly comfortable. In conclusion, if you can get this watch sub $500, I'd highly recommend it.